How to take multiple photos with timer on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of camera. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you're gonna find an option. Head over to the option of use volume off for burst. Toggle on for the option. After you do that, now close this. Launch your camera app. Now click on this icon given at the top middle. Different options will appear. Click on this timer icon. Now set it to 3 seconds. Make sure you have disabled for the option of live mode. Now set the timer. Click the picture. It has taken 10 photos. Now I can go ahead and check the image. You'll see this option of burst 10 photos over here. Click on the option of select. Now here you're gonna find 10 photos. Select the one that you wanna use. You can just click on it. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Keep everything or keep only one favorite. Select the option of your choice. With that, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily take multiple photos with timer on iPhone. You can apply the same process and take other photos as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.